Disha show. So today we'll be making Bounty. It's Bounty chocolate. So now let's start. So I have desiccated coconut. I have condensed milk. And now I am going to mix it. I am going to add some more condensed milk. Now I finished mixing. Now I'm going to use my hands. Oopsie. First, I'm going to make a ball. I'm going to press it like this. I'm going to do like this. And keep making it like this. Looks so nice already. I'm almost done. After I do this, it'll go to the freezer for 10 minutes, okay? Now I'm going to put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. It froze for 10 to 15 minutes and now I have melted dark chocolate over here. I am going to dip it. And then with the fork I am going to do line, line, line. Yeah, and again I am going to take one more. I'm going to keep doing this. I'm going to keep doing like this. Two, three. I'll do with my hands only. It's more easier. One, two, three. Our chocolate is ready. I am going to wash my hands and I'm going to eat it. My mouth is already watering. Finish washing my hands. Looks so yummy. I can't wait to taste it. Look at this. Let me taste it. It's so nice. I love this so much. Let's try this at home. Like it, like, subscribe and share. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, friends.